welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is about Arduino board, traffic light. So today we are doing something different and it's an Arduino board. So the components are LED lights. So green, yellow, orange and red. I didn't have an orange one, so I'm using a red one. And some cables and a breadboard and Arduino and the Arduino cable. Thank you Shravyaka for providing me this Arduino Uno board. So let's connect this. So for the minus, we are going to connect it to the ground pin. So you can connect it to any ground pin. It is not mandatory in which we have to connect. So as the breadboard, if you're plugging it in, it will go all the way to here. And these, it will go like this. So this is the ground pin. So now I'm taking the minus of the LEDs and plugging it in. Wait, you know what? Wait. So first let's pin the digital pins. So I'm pinning it to second for green, 2 for green and digital pin. So I'm putting it here. And for the orange light, I'm plugging it into the third pin. It doesn't matter which digital pin you're plugging it in. It's just like you have to put it in the code. So for the red light, wait, I'll just use this for the red. So for the red, I'm using 4 digital pin, 4th digital pin. Okay, for the ground, I'm using this one. So it's right. Okay, so right over here. So this thing spreads it all the way across like this, and these spread it like these. So now let's give the connection. This is the green. So I'm giving the minus to the ground and the plus to the digital pin. So next, do the same. The minus goes in the ground and the plus goes in the digital pin. And the red. Okay. Guys, first we need to get this software. So to get the software, it actually costs money, but I got this free. I got it in a book. So just type Arduino Uno. Arduino software free. So free download. So click on this one, the first one which lists up, and click this. So when you click it, take here and it will download the file. So when it downloads the file, so after it's fully downloaded, so see, when the downloading is over, go to File Explorer and click on the file name and then run it. So the code is very simple. So this is the code. I'll mention it in the description below. So while loop. So first we are writing while loop, and then I'm declaring the pin numbers. So for the green we used digital pin 2. So I'm declaring for the green, and for 3 the digital pin we used orange, and for 4 for the digital pin we used red. So we are giving the outputs. So close it, and while loop do it like we are telling it to do it again and again. So I'm telling digital write to I. I means give power supply, and delay 5000, which is 5 seconds. So the light will be on for 5 seconds, and then digital write to low, that means cut the power supply. And then the same thing, I'm just changing the digital pin. So this will turn on the orange light, and turn it off, and the same. So plug it in the USB cable and the Arduino Uno. So before after you plugged it, remember to save, and save, and then you can write the name. So go to save and press the out. So I saved it and press wait. So after you did it, just put it inside and then press upload. If I'm correct, it should be 5 seconds in between. So this is our traffic light. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye.